Yo guys, what's up? First of all, I want to ask you, do you maybe see yourself like this? To the point that you don't even know what are you doing or what notes are you placing or what sounds you're going to pick. This is the video where I'm about to try some of these fire loops Tessie volume 2 MIDI pack. It's also from Mega Bundle that I showed in previous video, but in the previous video I tried only loops. Now I'm about to try MIDI keys. You can download these MIDI keys and see by yourself, so you can just drag them into your favorite VST and you can make a banger with your favorite VST with your favorite sounds. So as you can see, I got this here volume 2 MIDI pack, and as you can see I got tons of MIDIs here. In this case I'm about to use this loops Tessie volume 2 MIDI pack, and I'm about to show you what sounds you can get and what MIDI files you can get in this bundle pack. Okay, I opened here Expand, and I'm about to use my favorite bells in this VST. You can hear them. So it's the preset bells high chime, if I can say like that. I'm about to test it out some of these MIDIs and see how they sound. So maybe let's just drag Nightfall, for example. Let's see what we got here. This already sounds fire. This is very good when you are working with the MIDIs, because you can always manipulate with your own sounds, with your own melodies, and it can just help you save your time and make your own variations of the melody. So let's, I don't know, let's take these streets for example. So now we can just change another sound, and that's pretty much it. You can just download, you can just try one of your favorite VSTs, and that's it. So I'm about to maybe drag some of these MIDI files, and I'll actually make a beat from it. So maybe let's try this one. Okay, this already sounds super dope, but I'm about to at least change something. I want to make these notes here faster, like this. Already sounds super dope. I'm about to pitch it down for a 1 octave here. I'm about to export this here like this, and I'm about to open Edison here, and I'm about to change the sample rate to 3K. Make sure you click always resample if you want to get this underwater effect. So I want to use this part of the loop. I'm about to normalize it a little bit. I'm about to put it on channel rack 1 as well, and I'm about to use EQ here. And I'm about to pitch it down maybe for a 1 octave here. Okay, that's too much, obviously. Maybe let's go with it to 270. Okay, let's switch it to normal. Okay, I'm about to drag this main melody as well here, and I'm about to turn down the volume as, of the exported one. And now, since I made my melody, I'm about to make some drums here. Let's type drums, and let's just make some simple drums, or I can use this pattern as well. Okay, let's use some of these drum kits that I got here. Can use some of heads here. Bass, let's check it out. Another ones. So these are the melodies as well. You got the drums here. These are like more Afro vibe. So we got also the another sounds here. Okay, now let's make some drums here on this loop that I just dragged here. Okay, let's use some of these here. Okay, let's maybe try with this here. This may be very hard, but let's test it out. As you can see, I'm just baking some very simple drum pattern here just to test it out how this loop sounds with the drums. Let's take 8/8 now. And I'm about to follow the root notes here of the melody. Okay, I'm about to copy the kick pattern here as well and paste it on the 8/8 pattern here. Oops, sorry. I'm about to split by channel everything, make a little intro, and that's it. So here, this is the loop we got. And here we go, full beat with the full melody. Okay guys, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like this beat. I hope you like these MIDI files here. I will put in the description the link of this bundle pack so you can get it by yourself and test it, test the sounds by yourself. So you can check it out, save your time while making beats. You can just drag and drop MIDI files. And I'm about to see in the next video where we are going probably to test out some of the drums, loop packs as well, and more. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.